Here's my project experience. This one, all pages was added. Now we'll work on different folder together. So create another folder. Give folder name called FrameSet. Folder name you can give as a FrameSet. 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 FrameSet example you can give folder name. Hello. Madam, I have sent you that 500 rupees is advance in your phone pay. Okay, a screenshot I have sent in the email. Keyword also I have sent you. Main keyword and relevant keyword. Okay.
Maybe I can pick up number 3 right away. I hope what I showed you about the platform. You saw where the contributions from the team in India to be. So there are definitely many touch points, areas where I think you are working on that you own those components. They will just change their nature a little bit.
Usually we need some token money for anyone to start also. No. You can start working. Once you get ready, you can let me know, deliver the content, we'll give you the money. We are not like it is kind of, we are 10 years in the market. Our company name is Info Campus Logic Private Limited, located in Bangalore, Karnataka. You can search on internet. That not look like any kind of proper stability. No, I'm saying you can start working, I'll give you 100%. Correct. So how many days you will take to deliver? Yes, once it make ready, you can let me know. I will give you 100%, then you deliver it. I'm not asking you to deliver me before payment. You deliver after payment only, but you can engage your person to start working on that. Okay. And then once it's ready, you can call me, I'll give you, and then you can send me the email. Okay. Okay, go ahead. So folder is ready. Folder name is FrameSet example. Under this FrameSet example, if you remember your yesterday folder, in that folder one file was there, one photo was there, right? Take that photo and keep here. That photo you can keep using everywhere. Right? Now under the FrameSet folder, what concept we are going to learn? Okay, we are going to learn like whichever the website we have seen till date. Okay, whichever the website you have seen till date, all website look different. All the website we have seen till date, all the website look as a different. You can say Gmail design is different, Yahoo website design is different, OLX design is different, Quicker design is different. Every website, Sulekha, Just Dial, all the website design is different. Design in the sense layout. Every website layout is different. So what we have option is in HTML, using how many method we can design the different type of layout. In HTML, using how many method we can design the different layout. So first method we have, first method plus little old method. What is that? This method. The folder we have created, folder name is called FrameSet. So using the FrameSet also we can design the layout. Okay, so three methods we have. So in that first method we have called a FrameSet. So requirement says like, suppose a person has given you some design and they ask like, okay, design a page that should look like this. One header block on the top, one block in the left, one block in the left, one block in the right, something like this, and one more block in the bottom. One more block in the bottom, something like this. Something like this. So it is one page only, but number of blocks are how many? Four blocks. Assume this is one design. Minimize little. In one page only, I'll make different design. This is one design. One layout. Suppose this is one layout. This is one layout. This is another layout. We bring in the middle side only, so that three layout we can design. This is one layout. Here we have something like this, and here we have something like this, and one more section we have in the last. Second layout. Now the third layout is something like this. Header on the top, one section in the left side, one more section in the right side, one more section in the middle, and at last one more section in the last. See how many type of design? Three type of designs. If suppose if someone asks design the layout like this, then using HTML, how what you can do? What are the techniques we have? So in HTML we have one technique table, that is the oldest method. Second method is FrameSet, that is little old, but you will get lot of idea from there. Third method is called division plus CSS, and the fourth method is called bootstrap. Using this all multiple way we can design the layout like this, not only any kind of layout. Okay. So we are going to learn the first method we have, that is called this method using FrameSet. FrameSet. Using FrameSet, how to divide the page into multiple blocks. So come to your folder now. Our folder name is FrameSet folder, FrameSet example. Under the FrameSet example, suppose if you are taking the example of this page, the first design. So in the first design, how many blocks we have? 3 blocks. So if you are taking the design of first, if you are taking the example of first design, first layout, then first you have to create 3 pages. Okay, one page may be header file, another footer file, another page welcome file, and 3 pages should be ready separate. And after that, you have to create one more page, fourth page, and in the fourth page, you have to merge all 3. So to design a layout like this, you require total 4 pages. 4 pages is required. In that, one page will be the main page, and remaining 3 pages will be as a child page. Okay, and then it will generate the output like this. Come. So create first file. Suppose if I go here and give this one as a, suppose this file is called as a header .html, one file. This file suppose called as a footer.html, and this file is suppose called maybe welcome.html. 3 files we need to create separate, and after that we have to create the fourth file, and in fourth file we need to merge all 3 together. Then it will generate the output like this. Okay. Open your editor, create the first file. First file, give the file name. You can store in that folder. Remember folder name. Folder name is FrameSet folder. File name footer.html. That page will appear in the bottom of the screen. Start from HTML. Follow the body tag. This body tag, give busy color. Blue. Font color equal to white. Size equal to maybe 6 you can give. Then write in. So the font should be the part of paragraph. Hold on. Font you keep inside the p tag. P tag open and p tag close. And under p tag you will write align. Center. You will write here something. Example. First inquiry. Digital. Run this file. Footer file. Background should be blue color. Text should be white color. and page should appear properly. Okay. Coming in which color? Blue and white. Blue background, text as a white. Background is a blue, text as a white. Font color used to change the color and size. Using font color, font tag, we can change the color also and we can change size also. Both we can change using the font tag. Font tag has a property called color. Using that, you can change the color. Has a property called size. Using that, you can change the size. Working or error? What you have written? Where you are saving the file? You go to the data drive, desktop. The first option, yes, the folder is your desktop. You this double click, go inside the website. PDF file. Enter. Now, F4 empty. We have written F4 empty. Close their font. Okay, so next, hope your page is running. Okay, next, after that, we need to create the next file. So out of three section, one section is ready. That is called footer. Next, we need to create the file called header. So create the next file, header.html. Header, Header. header.html. Header.html. In header.html, you will start from HTML and end it. Open the body, close the body. The header, give the BG color, pink color, or maybe orange color. BG color, orange. BG color is orange. Right inside a table, and this table you can keep align equal to center, self padding, and tr th. You will keep here call home. Next th about us. Next th contact us. Next th gallery. Next th services. Our services. Over. Homework I have not sent. Let's do some more thing. Attend some more classes, 1-2 more class. 100 doubts will come. Okay, I thought you are from the 330 batch. In 330 batch, the people have done for them assignment are they're ready to do assignment. Okay, but for you, as of now, attend some more classes, then you can do it. Why you written in line in the table row? Li where is? Oh, it should not be Li. It should be th will come. Li is not part of the TRH. TH. Toggle notes. No, table notes is not there. In that, what notes you need? You remember already. Hope written. Now run this file. Which file? Header file. Header file will run individual also. Series. It is giving something. Orange become very highlighted, converting to pink color. BG color converting to pink. Ready? So one footer file is ready. Which file? Footer is ready. After that, header is also ready. So if you look into the image, header is ready, footer is ready. Now we need to work on middle file. All welcome. So hope completed. We'll create next file called welcome.html or maybe home.html. Oh yeah, we can give the file name home.html. Third file we can give as a home.html. Done. Cool. Next file home.html we have. Home.html. HTML start here. Follow the body. Inside the body, write a H1 tag. Under the H1 tag, we can write welcome home. H1 will be aligned at the center. Then come down, write a paragraph. Here also keep a line equal to center. Save now. Check home file, how that look. Now three individual file is ready. We need to combine all three together. So home file is working. Some basic content. Footer is separate, header is separate, home is separate. Now we are going to combine all together in one page. Check once. Home is working. Now create another file, index.html. Index. You can give file name as a index. Okay, home file is ready. ABCD, you can write anything. So we'll create next file index dot html. This index file will be the master file, main file, and your header, footer, and home will be the child file. Okay, so now you have to use other tag. In the previous example, home you saw, you follow HTML body. Here also HTML body. Here also HTML body everywhere. But because here we were displaying the data, so we follow the HTML body, HTML body. Now in index file, you are not going to display the data, whereas you are going to include the files. Header should come in the top, footer should come in the last, and home should come in the middle. So for that, HTML we have to start and end. Do that. Okay. You will not write the body tag here. Body tag used to display the data, but we are not going to display anything in this file. We are going to include the files. Okay. So for that, you will use this tag, frame set, open and close. Do that. FrameSet open close. Okay, now look at this file. Photo you can see. Last photo, how many columns? 3 rows and 3 columns. Middle photo, how many? 2 rows and 2 columns. The first row, first one, 3 row and only 1 column. Okay. So see this, the total, when I come to my page here, when I come to this page, total width from beginning to last. Okay. Where to where? From the first side to last side, from A to Z. Okay. From starting to end. Total width will be 100%. 100%. You cannot say 101% because maximum percentage is how much? 100% only. So total width is 100%. Look at here. We have a property. We have a property here. That property say rows. A row will help you to make multiple rows, and calls will help you to make multiple columns. Okay, using FrameSet. FrameSet is a tag name. Rows is a property. Calls is the property. So using rows property, we can create multiple rows, and using calls, we can create multiple columns. So if you look into the photo, our first design is not based on columns. It's based on rows. So we will use the property here, rows only. Rows equal to total height 100%, total width also 100%. From top to bottom, total height is how much? Pixel is different. If you say pixel, your monitor is different size. My monitor is different size. The pixel will be different. But if you say 100% height, then in your monitor also full width height, and in my monitor also full height. If you say 100% width, then in your monitor also 100% width, full width, and my monitor also 100% width. It may be monitor is small or big, no matter. It will cover how much? Full width. Okay, that is the difference of percentage. Pixel meaning according to a screen it will get difference, but percentage meaning according to a screen it will fit properly. Okay, in your screen also full width, in my screen also full width. A screen size may be different. Yours is 2000, mine is 1000, but in yours also full, in mine also full. If you follow the percentage. So we'll write here rows. The first row should be 10% of total height, comma. First row should be total 10% of the height. Second row should be 70% of the total height. First row 10%, second row 70%, last row 20% of total height. Clear? So how many rows it will generate now? 3 rows. All are non-equal. Top is the smallest one. Middle is the biggest one. Last is the medium. Now, so the index file is helping you to divide your current file, current window height into the total 3 rows. We have column wise also, we will understand. Now in first row, which file you want to call? Header file. We have created 3 files, no? The first row 10% will take header file, 70% will take welcome home file, and last 20% will take footer file. Okay. So header, footer, and home is separate file, right? Is separate file. Now we have to use another tag to call that file, to include that file. Okay. So for that, frame, we have to use the frame, and it has a property called SRC. Under the SRC, whichever the file name you will give, that file will get called automatically. So you will keep first as a header.html. Second is a footer, and the home, and third is footer. home, and last one is like this. Comma, single quote, double quote. You can read properly. Source. SRC is nothing but source. SRC represent the source. Next, hope written. Run the file and see in 3 blocks, 3 pages are loading or not. 3 pages should load in 3 blocks. Header on the top, welcome in middle, and home in middle, and footer in last. It should look like this. Let me run the page and show you. Hope looks similar. You can reply yes, no. Read double quote. Here is the problem. See this line. Double quote open and double quote close in the last. No double quote in between. Please check once your page is loading. You can say yes, no. Something should look like this. It should look like this. I will share this code also in the chat. In case error, you can take the help from this file. Footer 10, 70, 20. Okay, so using which method? FrameSet tag, we divided the HTML body into 3 blocks. Using FrameSet tag, HTML body we divided into 3 blocks. Okay, cool. After that, look at here. There is some border here, right? Can you see the border? Yes. We have a property border 0. If you apply, border will get removed. So go for the FrameSet tag in index file. After double quote, you write border equal to 0. Border equal to 0. Border equal to 0. Border equal to 0. Now border gone. Yes. There is no any border any side. And your page will look complete clean. See, something like this. This is one design. Border spelling you will remember BORDER. Okay, how we write it normally? BORDER. Border only or something else? Similar, but center spelling is different. CENTRE. We write here CENTER. There TRE. Here we have TER. Okay, go next then. One design is ready. One design is ready. Something like this. Now next design will be header will be same. Footer will also same. The middle section we have. Middle section we will break into two columns. One column left and one column right. So middle row, the white block is covering some height. That height will remain same. The width will get break into two part. So suppose if I look into this, you can see this second design. Header same, footer also same. Home is also here same, but one more column will get added here. Maybe left.html, right? Okay, so no error. I will share these files once in your chat. And after that, we can go ahead. This content, okay, let me share the code of this file and the content of other files. Code of this file came and home, footer and header. Remaining three files, it's okay. Okay, come next. Create next file. Next file will be index2.html. 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 Index2 file. Index2.html. Okay, you can take the copy of previous file, no problem. Index file you can copy and paste under the index2. And header will be same, footer will be same, home line you can delete. Header will be same, footer will be same, home line you can delete. Header same, footer same, home line you can delete, hope deleted. So header will go to the 10%, footer should go to the 20%. Remaining 70% area is free as of now. Height 70% and width 100%. That area is complete free. In that area, the height 70% and width 100%. In that area, the height will leave same only 70% itself. But total width we will break into two columns. You can see as per the image here, this image is saying the total width we are going to break into two columns. One is the left, another one is right. Left is little small width, right is little bigger width. Okay, so at this place go and use the FrameSet tag, and under the FrameSet tag you will use a property called calls. In the first frame set you have used called rows, so that it is dividing as a row wise. In the second frame set you are using as a calls. So what is the total area of this frame set? The second frame set, 70% height and width how much? Full width 100%. So height will remain same. Width we are going to cut into two parts using the columns. 37 you can give, or 25%, and 75%. Below under the 25%, frame src equal to left.html and 75% again home.html. Hope ready. Run the index 2. After that, sequence, what is happening? Header is working, footer is working, home is also working. This file we need to create left side. Which file we call in the left? Left.html. Correct. So we have to create a file left.html. Create a file left.html. Give background color sky blue. create a file left.html. That should be sky blue as a background. BG color sky blue. HTML body. Write a marquee tag. Direction equal to down. Right, you will get to know. Inside marquee tag, add some text. Direction down. Left file will appear in the left side. Contents are getting a scroll. It is not necessary only text will scroll. Along with text, image will also scroll. Okay, so let me show you first. I hope look like this or something else. Hmm? So you can reply in the chat. If any error, I can help you. If working, then you can say yes, no. It will be fine to understand and go ahead. Working. 3 people replied. Priyanka is where you? Okay. Okay, you are logging there, right? Uh-huh. You are logging now in the chat? Zoom, no. Okay, it's another Priyanka. Okay, you reply, yeah, Priyanka, yes, no, working or not. Next, T. One name is called T. Full form. T for which one? T, the name. Name is called T in the chat. What is the name of T? Okay, I message in the chat. What's the name? Please reply the T. Okay, look like no reply. Come on. So here we can add some photo and the photo will also scroll. So we can go here and after the first, you can say paragraph. After the first paragraph, in first paragraph, content we have after the first paragraph, write img tag, img src equal to height equal to 120, width equal to 120. Photo will appear. Photo extension you need to give properly. If it is JPG or PNG, respective to that, you have to write the extension. Photo is coming. Photo will get a scroll automatically. Photo will be scrolling along with the text. Photo is not a scroll. A scroll is happening under the marquee. The content of the marquee will keep scroll automatically. In this, you have a property. If you write here, behavior. Behavior equal to alternate. Behavior equal to alternate. It will go up, down will happen. It will not hide anywhere. It will keep jumping in that. You have photo in system. Yesterday you have used one photo, no? Same photo you can copy paste in current folder. If something is simple to do, why to face complexity? PG photo. Okay. Next work is second design is also ready. Second design is ready. Yes, behavior spelling is different. Behavior. Normally, when we write behavior, we write OUR. Here, OUR also you try. See happening or not? Not coming. Okay. So this is second layout is ready. Now we need to work for the third design. That is this one. Till second will remain same. One more column will get added here. And in the last column, we will display something. So create the next file index3.html. Next file create index3. Index3. Index3, we can take the copy of index2. Header footer will be same. There will not be changes in the header footer. – 75% we are given here. Little modification is required in this. Give 60% and create one more column of 15%. 15%. Okay, and you have to add one more line here. Write.html. Now you have to create another file, third file, write.html. That page is not exist font, so we need to create that. You can give the color as which color? Huh? The red color will be very red. Some other low highlighted orange you can give. Start from HTML. Orange color you can give. Body. Inside this heading, right one. That's two. Coming events. Right one HR after that. Size equal to 10. So after the heading one, horizontal line will come in green color. Thickness will be 10 pixel. Check now. Right hand side orange block is coming. Okay. But coming event become a small for me. Only events. You let it be coming event because your screen size is big size. It's fit in one line. My screen size is small, is going to the new line. So I kept only events. Okay, here now we will keep marquee tag MARQUE. Inside marquee we'll keep direction equal to down. Paragraph up, down, left, right. ING SRC equal to 1 dot GPG height 100 width 100 in paragraph report. Write something. Check on see page is working or not. Happening. Images are getting scroll. If you have many images, you can click there. All image will scroll from top to bottom slowly. This is your frame set. Using the frame set, one HTML body you divided into 3-4 blocks. Okay. Now after few days, once we extend, this all are output tag. This is not input tag. See, are you able to enter anything anywhere? We are displaying only output. This all are called as a output tag. We have input tag different. After learning input tag, we will make something where once you click on services, services page will appear here. Once you click on gallery, gallery will come in the middle. Left, right, top, bottom, all will be same. Only the content will change into the middle. Click on about, content will change in middle. Wherever you click, all will remain same. Page will not reload, but the content will change into the middle part. That is the most like major feature of your this one frame set. That we'll see after few classes once you finish the input tags. See, this become little big size for me. Scroller appear. Let me try with height. What is happening? 250. Okay, so that is okay. 300 we can give. 25 is this for me. 275 we can give. Okay, so hope it's working. We will come to the first file, example one file. And in example one file, we will add one more section before the menu, before header. Okay, blue color or maybe green color or maybe black color, any color. So hope example 3 is working, everything. Index 3. Go ahead next, where to the example one file, index one file. In the index one file, 10, 70, 20 are given. Before 10%, give one more 8%. And that 8% minus from the 70%. 62. Modify this. Ready? So in 8%, you have to call one more file here. Info.html. Info header home footer. Now info should appear on top. Info file is not there. It will give error. We have to create that file. Create file info.html. Write there HTML. Follow the body. BG color. Green. Create a table or not table. Write a MAR. QU mark tag. Inside give a font color as white, color as white, inside to right. Save the file. It will come on top and it will be scrolling automatically. Come next, run the example one. Green color, in that text will be scrolling automatically right to left. Okay, something like this. So this become your multiple layout of frame set. So this will end here. Tomorrow we will work on input tag. How to create text box, password field, email field, drop down field, number field, message field. How to design the forms. After learning the form tomorrow, next day we will create some pages and then you will be eligible to do the assignment. Okay. So I will share these files in chat in case not working. You can use these files. I will send you in zip format. See you tomorrow then.